everyone, this is Cindy from LEOY CNC Machine Factory. Today I'd like to introduce a horizontal machining center, HMC630. Horizontal machining centers are mainly used for processing medium and large-sized box type and complex structured parts that require multi-phase machining, especially those with a focus on whole system and final processing. Machine equipped with horizontal rotatable with size 630 mm, Siemens controller 828D, 2042 magazines. Is highly suitable for processing medium-sized box-type parts such as transmission bodies, medium-sized engine cylinders, etc., and parts in the form of planes and discs that require multi-angle processing such as large flanges and covers and medical device bases, etc. The model frames of medium and small-sized molds. For example, the model frames of inject molds or die casting molds, etc. If you are interested, contact us to get more details.